Hello and welcome to another DeviceJockey tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you create faders and rotaries and place it on the panel to remote control the channel level and gain of a Behringer X18 or X32 Audiomixer. And here we go. First, we are going to add a new interface to our scene. The Behringer X series is available as rack version of 12, 16, 18 or 32 analog audio inputs. In this tutorial, we use the X18 version, which allows to control many parameters using the Behringer OSC remote protocol via the network. You create a new interface in the main menu by pressing on plus, Add Interface and Behringer X series. A new interface with standard parameters has been created. Tapping this interface, you can change these parameters. Therefore, select Host and type in the IP address of the Behringer Audiomixer. In case you change the standard UDP port within the Audiomixer, remember to specify that. The port 10023 is reserved for the X32, the port 10024 for the X18. So in this example, we are going to change the port to 10024. Confirm that to start the communication with the Audiomixer. To check if the connection is working, press the button on the upper right corner to connect all interfaces. The button turns green, which means that the connection is working. Next, you can create a slider on the panel. Make sure the edit mode is turned on. Therefore, check if the lock sign in the upper right corner is turned red. Then you can add the slider on the panel and edit it. To do so, click on the panel and after that on New and Slider. A new slider will appear on the panel. To send a command to the Behringer X18 now, press on the slider and select Edit. Here you can see all the parameters with which we can configure the slider. Rename the slider in the title first. Then change the design color into blue. The presentation stays vertical and standard. Here you also have the possibility to change the fader into a vertical positioning. Clicking on the check mark, you get back to the edit menu of the fader. Now you create a new command in order to control the level of the first channel of the Audiomixer. Therefore, you click on Commands and BX Range. Type in the path that has been set to control the level of the first channel within the Behringer OSC protocol. That path will be /ch/01/mix/fader. All paths of the Behringer OSC protocol, which belong to the modifiable functions of the X series, can be found on DeviceJockey.de or within the Behringer Wiki. You leave the specification for the maximum and minimum send value on 1 and 0. In this example, we are also going to check out the value of the default, also called 0 dB position of the fader. Confirming the typed in values, you will get to the slider command window. Confirming again, you will get back to the edit menu of the fader. We are going to explain the state link ID in an upcoming video for you. First, we are going to take a look at the default value. Clicking on the yellow area, you will see that the value is 0.75. To show you how you use the default value, we quit the configuration at this point. To do so, click on the check mark at the upper right side and turn off the edit mode. As a last step, connect the interfaces, changing to the live mode. We can now control the level of the first channel. To reach the default value of the fader, double-click on the slider. It will directly get to the value you specified before. In the end, we are going to create a rotary for the gain of our channel. Click on the lock button to get back to the edit mode. Then click on any vacant space, New, Rotary, and edit that. The edit menu of the rotary is identical to the edit menu of the slider. We want to change the title and the design of it now. Write gain and change the color into blue. In the next step, choose Single as presentation mode. Confirm the changes and you will get back to the edit menu. Add a new command controlling the gain of the channel. Click plus BX range and make sure that the right interface for sending the command is selected. The path is called /addamp/01/gain. The default value is supposed to be at 0. Go back to the default value and change that number. Confirm this change clicking on Set as Default and complete the configuration. Done! We are now able to control the level and gain of channel 1 of our Behringer X18 Audiomixer using the DeviceJockey. Thanks for watching! I hope you liked this video. Check out our other videos and further information on our website devicejockey.de.